Hi there, welcome to Informed Investing. My name is Don Lawrence. I'm the CEO of STA Research, and our platform is StockTargetAdvisor.com. I am a financial analyst and a trader, and today's top analyst rating that we're bringing you is from Apple, and we're just having a look specifically with the Goldman Sachs sort of reiteration on the stock. Of course, we're coming off the back here of the big news yesterday of the new iPhone 14. And its new capabilities, slightly different screen with a little bit of not really a notch, but some sort of a display area that they have there for the 14 Pro. Obviously, in conjunction with that, there's a new satellite feature, which is quite interesting. It comes on the heels of a British company called Bullet, who've just launched a satellite phone that is will function like a normal phone, normal price per month. Per monthly service using satellites instead of the cellular network. So the space is kind of changing here, and then having Apple jump on board with this little feature of emergency calls using satellite networks. It was Globestar that they signed up for to use for that feature. So obviously the market, the cell phones are going to start changing now towards satellite phones for better coverage. So it'll be interesting to see how things evolve here. So quite a pivotal time for cell phones here going forward. So let's have a look at the ratings today. We've got three ratings out. We'll start off with Moness Crispy is maintaining, or actually, sorry, initiating their buy rating with a 174 target on the stock. Stock is trading around, just closed down today at 154 and change. And we've got ourselves at STA Research maintaining our buy rating 185 target. And what we really want to talk about is the reiteration of Goldman Sachs with a neutral rating and a 139 target. And you know, Goldman Sachs is notorious for having these really obscure, out of the range sort of ratings and targets on stocks there, and you kind of one sort of the question begs, you know, why are they not in line with the other analysts, and you know, maybe it's just you know, the maybe they're bearish on the markets and so a bit concerned about Apple in general. Obviously under recession, you know, consumers can be a little bit hesitant about forking out substantial amounts of money on new advanced hardware in their phones. So that might be a little bit of a justification there, but still they're outside of the box here. And obviously, as most know, Goldman Sachs has partnered with Apple with their Apple credit card. So there is a direct connection there. So it's just very strange. I think it's very strange that they have a 139 target, which obviously is about $16 below the current trading price there. So I don't see any significant justification for that. Obviously, I mentioned some of the current concerns they might have just with regards to the market and such, and a forthcoming recession. But other than that, I can't see the justification of that, and it really sort of, you know, concerns me with when analysts are outside of the box. And looking at the technicals, there's no sort of technical indicator to say that you know, you know, it's got any sort of indication of downside here. Looking at the range here, obviously we touched a few months back 131, sort of that area, kind of a low, and then we bounced off that into the 150s, 160s, and we're sitting there, pulled back a bit, sitting there. As I said there, about 154. So I think, quite honest, going forward long term, anything under 150 looks good on Apple to buy in. So, you know, incrementally buy those dips. You know, anything on 150, just kind of nibble away if you want to sort of build your position, start your position, or build it further in Apple. I think the long term looks good on it. Of course, we got the lot of rumors and you know, coming out with regards to the Apple car and such. So that's something to look forward as well. But I think you know, I think the iPhone entering the satellite sort of space is quite interesting and might pay off in the future here. Certainly, other than Bullet, they're certainly sort of one of the leaders coming out with that, which usually they lag behind. So yeah, guys, just I think you know, like I say, anything under 150, I think Apple's a buy. Not sure what's going on with Goldman there. Just a bit strange. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think Apple is in a good buy range, or caution sort of should take place here just with regards to the economic environment? As always, guys, thanks for checking us out. Much appreciated. And if you have any questions, please email us at admin@stocktargetadvisor.com, and we'll get back to you with any questions that you have, or any topics or stocks you'd like us to cover. Remember, guys, your best trade is always a hedge. Cheers.